Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine and we just hit 25,000 subscribers. It's crazy, it's surreal. It's 25,000 subscribers and it's all thanks to you guys. Like every single one of you guys that subscribes to the channel, hits that bell, likes the videos, follows me on social media, leaves comments in the videos and just interacts with me. Honestly, it's because of you guys and I'm just so appreciative of that. So I want to say thank you and I want to do something to give back to you guys. So I'm going to be giving away an iPhone 11 or a Pixel 4. Now I haven't decided which one of these that will be in the giveaway, but you guys could help me out by voting on the little card that appears right up here. I did a little poll on Twitter about 3 weeks ago and I think the Pixel 4 was winning. I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm going to use the winner from this card right up here. So make sure you guys click on it and then let me know which one that you guys liked. And then that is the person that is, whoever wins is going to get that phone. And I'm going to ship it international. It's probably going to cost an arm and a leg, but that's okay because I just want to show you guys that I appreciate every single one of you guys. So I don't care where you are in the world watching my videos. If you are the winner, I will make sure I get this phone out to you. Now, all you got to do to enter is hit that little Gleam link down below. And all you got to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on Twitter. And each one of those things will give you separate entries so that you can increase your odds. And then I will pick a random winner in the first week of January 2020. Yeah, 2020 is just around the corner, believe it or not. But anyway, that's how it's going to work. And the reason that I'm using Gleam is so that it's easy for me to pick out a winner and also verify their email. It's really simple. You don't really have to do anything that much when you click on the link, but it'll be down below in the description. And if you're already a subscriber to my channel, then you don't have to worry about that because I'm going to put your name in that pool anyway. So you just chill, sit back, relax, enjoy this video, give it a like, and maybe you'll win an iPhone or a Pixel. Oh yeah, don't forget to vote, by the way. But anyway, that's it. I just wanted to say thank you. I know I haven't had any videos out recently. It's been almost a week, but I've been traveling a lot for my work and I've been actually sharing that on social media if you guys follow me. And I'll probably be traveling to the end of the month, maybe even into next month, but I will still be making the videos for the best Android setups of this month. Actually, we have best Android setups of the end of the year of 2019 coming up, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm also going to be doing the best Android setup tutorials for this month. They just might be coming a little bit late, and I'm excited about this new phone that I've been using, this right here. The cool thing about this phone is that it's got two displays. Yeah, it's got two displays. So I'm not going to say what the phone name is. If you know it, leave it down below in the description. I mean, down below in the comment section. But I'm excited about that phone and a bunch of other stuff that are coming to the channel. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to you guys showing love, supporting the channel. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. Every single one of you guys. To 25,000K, to the next 25,000K. I'm getting to the point of the video where I'm just rambling because I'm excited and I'm happy. So I'll just cut it right here. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.